CX semi-automatic tape sealing machine for the mouth of box, can and jar. This machine is suitable for sealing the mouth of square, round, heart, octagon, oval and other boxes and jars. The machine adopts PLC and touch screen control. The mechanism design adds an automatic box feeding device and an automatic box taking manipulator. Realize the automation of tape sealing at the mouth of the box and the can. The machine has a compact structure, stable performance and easy operation. Suitable for producing diversified varieties. Improve production efficiency and effectively reduce the labor intensity of workers. Fully stainless steel design, beautiful and durable. The machine is CE certificate and meet the GMP standard. Two years long time warranty offered, worry-free for you to purchase. Factory direct, and we have more than 10 years of packing machines manufacturing experience. Thank you for watching and please feel free to contact us for further information. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy, and ideal packing machines partner.